Rodents come in all sorts of sizes, but have you ever wondered why North America doesn't have the big ones? While places like South America boast capybaras, the largest rodents on Earth, North America's rodents seem to stick to the smaller side. Why don't we have giants scurrying around? It's a mystery that makes you think, doesn't it? Let's find out what's going on. Before we continue, please consider subscribing to Explore Wildlife. Once upon a time, during the Pleistocene epoch, North America was home to some impressive large rodents. Imagine creatures like the giant beaver, which was as big as a black bear, roaming the land. However, today, we find ourselves in a continent where large rodents are notably absent. What happened along the way? Firstly, let's consider the changes in climate. The end of the Pleistocene epoch brought significant shifts in weather patterns. The Ice Age thawed, leading to warmer climates and changes in habitats. These large rodents, adapted to the cold, found themselves in a world that was increasingly hostile to their way of life. Forests that once provided ample food and shelter transformed, shrinking the available habitats for these giants. Then, there's the arrival of humans. Humans have a long history of altering landscapes, directly and indirectly affecting the local fauna. As early humans spread across North America, they hunted for food, and large animals, including the massive rodents, were prime targets. But it wasn't just hunting that played a role. Human activity led to further changes in the environment, from setting fires to clearing land for agriculture, to urban development, reducing the habitats for these large creatures even more. Predation and competition also played crucial roles in shaping the destiny of North America's rodent population. The arrival of humans introduced new predators to the continent. These animals competed with native predators for the same food sources, disrupting the balance. Larger rodents, which would have been more visible and slower to escape, became easy targets for these efficient hunters. Moreover, competition wasn't just about predation. It was also about the struggle for resources. The remaining habitats became contested grounds for all species. Larger animals require more food, and in a changing world, these resources became scarcer. Smaller rodents, with their lesser dietary needs, could adapt more easily to these changes, finding food in a wider range of environments. Smaller rodents have a higher reproductive rate, which means they can recover more quickly from population declines. They are also more versatile in their habitats and diets, making them better equipped to handle environmental changes. In contrast, larger rodents, with their specific habitat and dietary needs, found it increasingly difficult to find their place in the rapidly changing world. Scientific theories suggest that these factors combined to create a world where large rodents could no longer survive. Subscribe if you liked the video, and there's another one showing on the screen.